Good morning, beautiful soul. I'm so happy you're here, taking this moment just for yourself. This is your time to reset, to reconnect, and welcome a new day with peace. Maybe with intention and strength. Let's begin. Today, we'll practice gentle manifestation, connecting with your inner power, your worth, your energy. We'll breathe together, express gratitude, and say powerful affirmations that help you feel supported, inspired, and capable. You can sit cross-legged or lie down. Do what feels best for you. You deserve comfort. Close your eyes gently. Let's take a few deep breaths together. Inhale slowly, and slowly exhale. Feel your body grounding. Again, inhale peace, and exhale doubt. Inhale energy deeply. Exhale all the tension. Let everything soften. Now, take a moment to think about what you are grateful for this morning. It can be something big or something small. A warm bed, the sunrise, a loved one. And say silently, thank you, thank you, thank you. Now, repeat after me. I am worthy of love, joy, and abundance. I trust in my journey. I believe in my inner power. I let go of fear and welcome possibility. I am enough, exactly as I am. Now, time for some motivation. Repeat after me. Today, I move forward with purpose. Today, I will welcome challenges as opportunities to grow. I attract people and and situations that support me. This day is a beautiful day, and it begins with me. Now, take a moment to ask yourself, what do I need today? What do I want to create today? Let any answer come without pressure. Let this be your space, your intention. Breathe it in, feel it. Slowly return to the room around you. Move your fingers, your shoulders, and when you're ready, open your eyes gently. Remember, you are powerful, capable, and loved. Let this day reflect your light. Thank you for being here. Have a beautiful day. You showed up for yourself today, and that's powerful. Let this feeling of calm, clarity, and self-worth carry you through the day. If you enjoyed this moment, you'll love what's coming next on this channel. You'll find peaceful practices like Yoga Nidra for deep rest, breath work to release tension, evening meditations for better sleep, guided visualizations for manifesting your dreams, calming nature scenes with healing music. Every video here is a gentle invitation to pause, breathe, and reconnect. So if you haven't yet, feel free to subscribe and come back whenever you need a reset. I'm sending you love, light, and a peaceful day ahead. You've got this. Relax